Hey guys, what's up and welcome. Today we are going to be talking about R&F, Rodan+Fields, brand new product. So now every year they have a convention in October and they always roll out a new product and you just never know what it is, and this year shocked the heck out of me. I've been selling / using the products for about 8 years now and I'm obsessed with the products. I've tried tons of other skincares and Rodan+Fields products are by far the best that I've tried. I'm actually 95 years old, just kidding. But no, the products are really, really good. And every year they come out with something more spectacular. So I didn't go to convention this year, but I was able to kind of follow along and see what the new launch was. And it is, drum roll, Haircare. I was so excited. Now, if you guys are not new to my channel and you have been following me for a while, you know I've been on quite the hair journey for the last couple years. I have pretty much been every color in the book, in the rainbow. Dark, purple, pink, blue, blonde. Yeah, I just recently went dark again. My hair took a beating. Let me just say, I was really using that lightener a lot and my hair decided, you know what, we're done. So I have a lot of breakage. It is finally starting to grow back and get healthier. That's one of the main reasons I went dark again. I just needed to get my hair back on track. So when I heard that R&F was coming out with hair care products, I was like, you guys did this just for me, right? Like I said, I've been using the products for a long time and they are freaking awesome. So when I heard they were coming out with hair care, I knew this product is something I needed to try and that I'm pretty confident it's going to be something that's really, really good. So I just got my order in the mail today. We are going to go through and I'm going to show you what I got. I'll talk a little bit about the other products that they rolled out as well. I didn't order everything. I just ordered a line for myself and then the dry shampoo. But yeah, I'm going to kind of show you guys and then we are going to, I'm going to wash my hair probably today. So I'm going to show you guys how it looks after the first wash. And then I think what I'm going to do is use it for 2 weeks and then do a check back in and see where we're at. I do need to make sure I take some before pictures because I don't know if it's really going to help with length or anything in 2 weeks. I doubt it. But I'm hoping that it's really going to like change the integrity of my hair, maybe not be so dry at the end. They ended up coming out with 2 new regimens. There's a Volume Plus regimen, or I don't know, is it supposed to say plus? I don't know, Volume Plus regimen and a Smooth Plus regimen. Now the Volume one says it's for thin, flat hair with damage or breakage. And the Smooth one is for dry, frizzy, dull hair with damage or breakage. I really honestly could have used both. I'm not sure. I think the reason I got the Smooth is because I was more interested in the third product that it came with than I was in the other, like in the Volume one. So the Volume regimen is going to boost thickness, repair damage, and minimize hair fall due to breakage while supporting long-term hair health for fuller, more voluminous looking hair instantly and over time. And then the Smooth regimen, smooth, replenish, and repair dry, damaged strands while supporting long-term hair health for softer, shinier, frizz-free hair instantly and over time. So now instantly, that makes it sound like I'm gonna see a difference after one wash. So I'm excited about that. Now the other thing that I was really excited about was, since these dermatologists have been working on skincare for forever, now that they've come out with a hair care, I know that this is going to cater towards our skin. And healthy hair starts at the scalp. If your scalp isn't healthy, your hair is not going to be healthy. So that's what they're trying to do with this line, is to kind of start from your scalp down to the tips. So I am curious to see how that's going to work. So let me just show you guys. I'm going to stop talking to show you guys the line that I got. Now this is the shampoo and conditioner. This is what they look like. And they are 8 ounces. And I did open one of them and smell it, and it smelled really good. Oh, it smells really good. Oh, what does it remind me of? It reminds me of something almost kind of tropical. I don't know. What do you guys think if you've tried it? Oh, and it did come with 2 little pumps. So this is what the bottle looks like, and then you get a pump to go in it. I just haven't done that yet. I can't describe how it's kind of like perfume. Like, oh, if my hair smells as good as these smell, that's gonna be exciting. Okay, so I just pulled out, this was another brand that I tried like last year, the Bondi Boost. I have a video on that too if you guys are interested. it was just okay. Now this right here is 16.9 ounces. So I will say these are kind of smaller, but I'm thinking maybe a little bit goes a long way. Now, if you compare it to Olaplex, Olaplex is 8.5 ounces. So it's only a little bit smaller than Olaplex. And honestly, that's kind of what I'm comparing it to, because Olaplex is like, you know, like everyone just raves about that one. So I'm hoping that these are gonna be better. That would be awesome. So, okay, so that's the shampoo and conditioner. And then it also came with this Defrizz Plus oil treatment. Now, this is what I was really excited about. This one just says to work into damp hair or smooth through dry hair. Oh, so I mean, technically I could use it on my dry hair, but I think I want to wait until I wash my hair and then try it. So, and this is, how big are you? This is 2 ounces. So it's pretty tiny. Let me just show you the last product I got. Okay. When I first opened this, I was a little underwhelmed. I was kind of a little disappointed as well. This is the dry shampoo, you guys. It's 4 ounces. It's tiny. So this is my regular dry shampoo. This thing is no, just kidding. This is 11.2 ounces. This is the RNF one. It's so tiny. I don't know, like, I don't think this is like a travel size. I'm pretty sure this was the only size, but that was one thing I was not too impressed with, was the size. If you guys use dry shampoo, you know, like, you can go through this stuff, especially if you only wash your hair like once a week. You're gonna be using dry shampoo like a lot. So I don't know, I'm curious to see how long this lasts. I did spray a little bit earlier and I feel like a lot did come out, so maybe you don't need a whole lot each time, but we are gonna, you know, go through and see how that lasts. I do want to talk about the pricing a little bit too. So now the dry shampoo, this guy is, yeah, it says 4 ounces, $29 for this thing. That's kind of a lot. I'm pretty sure the other one I have was like maybe $6 and you get a lot more. Now, I don't really know, like, I mean, what they could have done to this one to make it that expensive. Our Derm Design Lightweight Dry Shampoo makes hair look, feel, and smell clean without leaving behind any residue, while adding volume and soothing the scalp for instant benefits you can see and feel. Okay, I mean, I will say, I'm sure that this has something in it. Like, obviously, it's going to be better quality than something you might find at the drugstore. But yeah, I was just a little underimpressed with the size, but we will see. And then I do want to talk about the other line. So, or actually, wait, hold on. There's one other product. I do have a Define and Curl Cream. Oh, maybe I've been saying Define. I've been saying whatever plus. I think it's just supposed to be like and, because the little plus is like their and sign. So yeah, don't make fun of me if I've been saying it wrong. I honestly have not looked into these products that much, because I kind of wanted to just give it a try on my own and like have my honest thoughts. So yeah, there is a curl cream, all-in-one cream styling treatment, hydrates, defrizzes, and adds shine without weighing down waves and curls for soft, healthy looking definition. And that is $29 and it's 5 ounces. You can buy everything separately too. So it looks to be like the shampoo and conditioners are roughly around $33, $35. The treatment part, so like this oil treatment, this thing's $47. Other thing that comes with the volume, that is a densifying treatment, and that is $47 as well. So that one, lightweight treatment, repairs and prevents damage for hair that looks fuller and thicker. Man, maybe I should have gotten that one too. Maybe I'll try that one next. I'll see how this one does and then maybe I'll try the other one. All right, so that is the products. Pretty much. I really can't tell you guys much more. I just want to give it a shot and then give you guys my honest opinions. But those are my kind of first thoughts from just opening everything. Everything's kind of tiny. I messaged one of my friends and I was like, everything's like miniature. But if it's a good product, then maybe a little bit will go a long way. So fingers crossed that it doesn't disappoint. So, all right, we will see you guys soon. Alright guys, we're back. It is the next morning. I washed my hair last night with the shampoo and I used the oil. I have thoughts. So I have some pros and I have some cons on my first impressions. Let's start with the cons because they're nothing too crazy. So I will say, before you get into your shower, make sure you have the little pumps where they need to be, because I just put them in and got in the shower, and when I went to go pump, they wouldn't work. And I kept turning them and turning them and turning them, and they wouldn't do anything. So yeah, make sure you get the pumps ready before you get in, because that was kind of a pain. Ultimately, what I had to do was like hold both of these parts and then twist it, and then it opened up. Cons. Was there any other cons? Oh, I felt like I had to use a lot, not a lot, but like I was gonna try to only use like 2 pumps because the bottles are very tiny and I'm just afraid I'm gonna go through it really fast. But I ended up having to use probably like 4 pumps for each one just to kind of cover my hair. I started with 2 pumps on the shampoo and tried to lather it, and it really didn't do much, so I had to add a little bit more. And same with the conditioner, I just started off with 4 pumps. That's it, I would say, for the cons. The pros, my hair smells amazing, feels amazing. I'm not just saying this, you guys. My hair feels so soft. Oh my gosh, it did not feel like this before. And I just feel like it looks super shiny. I was gonna curl it, but I wanted to kind of have it the same way that it was at the beginning of the video so you could kind of compare. So I just kind of straightened it a little bit, curled the ends under just a tad. That's just usually how I do my hair. I wonder if it's picking up on camera, but it just like feels so shiny and so smooth, like, oh. And the smell, when I first smelled it, I thought it was tropical. It's definitely not tropical. It's just kind of luxurious. Yes, that's what it's kind of like a luxury like perfume or something. It just smells really good. And I did use the little oil. This I want to say I used 2 pumps. I used 2 pumps of the oil and just kind of tried to keep it on the end so that it didn't weigh down the top. And oh my goodness, you guys, like I'm impressed so far. I don't know. I know sometimes when you switch up shampoo and conditioner, your hair just like feels better because it's something different. So like I said, I'm only going to be using these products for the next 2 weeks to possibly a month. I want to give it a fair shot. I'll probably wash my hair like every 3 days. So I want to make sure I'm giving it a good enough shot so I can tell you guys like my exact thoughts, you know. I don't just want to use it for a week and be like, oh yeah, it's awesome. So, all right, that was my first check-in. I'm pleasantly surprised. I'm not surprised. These products I figured would be good, but I'm very pleased with how they're working so far. So, all right, stay tuned. Hello guys, I am back. I have been using these products for a little over 2 weeks now, and I don't need any more time. I wanted to come back and tell you guys my final thoughts. Okay, overall, I'm so happy with these products. I feel like my hair is starting to heal finally. It feels so soft and so smooth and so manageable. I definitely want to try the volume line now because the smooth line is great. Like, it has worked wonders on my hair, but I definitely want to try the other one now. I did want to show you guys how much product I've used. I don't know if, yeah, you can see it on here. I've used quite a bit more, well, not quite a bit, a little bit more shampoo than the conditioner. The shampoo, I need like maybe 4 to 5 pumps. Usually I'll start with a couple pumps and try to get it to lather, and then I'll add more just because I'm really trying to work it into my scalp. So yeah, this is about a little over 2 weeks worth of use, and I wash my hair probably every 3 days, sometimes every other day, definitely not every day. I would say these will probably last close to 2 months, maybe longer. But that's pretty standard for Rodan+Fields products. They are designed to last about 2 months. So I would say that that's about right. Smooth, or the oil treatment, I barely, you know, it's barely gone. So I think when I reorder, like if you order as a bundle, you won't need to reorder the oil when you reorder the shampoo and conditioner. This should last quite a while. And the dry shampoo, believe it or not, like, I used it every day that I didn't wash my hair, and I mean, there's still a lot in there. So it is tiny, but I think a little bit will go a long way with this too. I am very happy with these products. If you guys are thinking about trying them, I would definitely give it a shot because Rodan+Fields, they always have their money back guarantee. policy, so if you don't like them for some reason, you can always send them back, but I think you guys will be happy with them. I am definitely happy with them, and I'm curious to see like if it added any length. I'm sure it didn't because it's only been a couple weeks, but I feel like my hair is starting to heal and it just, oh, it feels so much better. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful. Please give it a thumbs up and we will see you all next time. Bye. Bye.